Happy Tech Tuesday, I'm Melanie Morón, here at the University of Florida Electrical Engineering Building with Professor Swarup Bhunia. Swarup, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Melanie, for having me.
So tell us, what do you do here at the University of Florida?
I'm a researcher, I'm a professor and researcher here. I work on something very exciting. It's called Internet of Things. These are tiny little computers which you can see in your home, in your office, in your industry, different industrial setting, in your cars, which can do different cool things. It can interface with the physical world, it can listen to you, it can track your behavior, it can track the environment, and it can do different things.
And tell us, what are you guys currently working on?
So in this lab, there are a number of undergraduate and graduate students, also some of the high school students also join us occasionally. They come here and they help us to develop some interesting smart devices. When you say smart, these are the computers which have some intelligence in it. They can decide things by themselves. If you think about a smart vehicle, you can see an example here. This vehicle is driving itself.
And why would you say studying electrical engineering is important in today's industry?
Oh, it's very important because you can build things. I know a lot of high school students or a lot of students would love programming. I also do that, but there is a specific type of fun and creative experience when you build things, right? So in this lab, we motivate students to build new smart computers that can solve some of the problems which we have not been able to solve in the past.
And how has the innovation ecosystem here in Gainesville helped your research?
The Gainesville is a really fantastic place for helping me and my students and my collaborators to do research in these devices, because it provides you the infrastructure, number one. Number two is that it has an ecosystem to take the innovations which we are doing in this research lab to the field.
Well, Swarup, thank you so much for joining us and telling us more about your research you're doing here at the university. And that's it for today's Tech Tuesday episode. We'll catch you next time.